Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How are you, student? Student, Alhamdulillah, we are reading step by step the basic book, the Nuraniya of Quran. So, Alhamdulillah, today we start the new lesson and the next lesson. So, I am going to open the page now. So, this is lesson number 7, the Tanween and movement. First of all, we start with the name of Allah with Ta'awuz and Tasmiyah. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. So in instruction, student, you see how student connect letters and practice. If they can't connect letters carefully, revise previous lesson until they master the previous lesson. Don't go ahead. This is one of the most important rules, and the students are to be perfect with it. So in this lesson, student, we understand and know and practice how the letter are joined together and form a word, and how we pronounce and how we spell the mixed word, mixed letters of word. So now we start the practice and the examples of the thing. The lesson, the tanween and movement practice in these words. Okay, inshallah. So now we start with the name of Allah. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. First of all, we spell the word and read the whole word, then read the whole word. So students, we read if alif has any haraka. We have read in the previous lessons if alif has any haraka, kasra, fatha and zamma. So we didn't read it alif, we read it hamza. So dear student, we start from here. First one letter is hamza. Hamza, fatha, a. Then the next letter is, the red one is ba. Ba, fatha, ba. Then we join these two letters, ba, a, ba. Then this is dal, and dal is two fatha. Dal, double fatha, dan. Now we join these three letters, abadan. Now if we stop on that word, so we read it abada. Okay, abadan. Waqf, abada. Next is hamza, fatha, a, ha, fatha, ha, a, ha, two letters. The third one is dal. Dal, double zammadun, ahadun. Waqf, ahad. If we stop on that word, so we read it ahad. We read once again, hamza, fatha, a, ha, fatha, ha, a, ha, dal, double zammadun, ahadun. Now again we read the first one without spell, abadan. Next one is ahadun. Third one, this one is hamza, fatha, a, kha, fatha, kha. Now we join these two, a, kha, dhal, fatha, dha, a, kha, dha. Waqf, if you stop. Waqf means stop. If we stop on that word, so we read it akhaz. This is not noon. Okay, some students read it noon. It's like a noon, but the shape is a little bit different. This one is noon. The noon is written in a word like this one. Okay, this is the noon shape of noon. This one is zal. Okay, so this is akhadha, waqf, akhadh. Now we repeat the three from starting of lesson without spell. Abadan, ahadun, akhadha. Now if we stop on this letter, so we read abada, ahad. akhadha, and then we stop on this letter, so we read it akhadh. Next is hamza fatha a, dhal kasra zi, azi, nun fathana, azina. If we stop on this letter, so we read it azin. Now we read from starting of the lesson without spelling. Abadan, ahadun, akhadha, azina. Now we stop on these words, so we read it abada, ahad, akhad, azin. Okay, we suck in the last letter. Okay, sukun, we give the sign of sukun to the last letters. Okay, dear students, so the next letter word is hamza fatha a, mim fatha ma, amma, ra fatha ra, amara, waqf, amar. Now we read without spelling from the starting of lesson. Abadan, ahadun, akhadha, azina, amara. Now we read without spelling and in waqaf type, method of waqaf. If we stop on that words, so we read it like this: abada, ahad, akhad, azin, amar. Okay, so the next one is hamza fatha, noon fathana. We don't read this alif, okay, with noon. Ana, waqfan, ana. If we stop on this word, so we also read it ana. Okay, ba zabar ba, kha zer khi, ba khi, lam fatha la, bakhila, waqf, bakhil. Now we read these two without spelling ana, bakhila. Now we read from the starting of lesson without spelling. Abadan, ahadun, akhadha, adhina, amara, ana, bakhila. So dear student, this is our today lesson. Inshallah, see you with another lesson. Take care. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Allah Hafiz.